Let's talk about a little-known truth in the world of chest workouts, something that might be holding you back or, worse, harming your progress. Imagine working tirelessly on your chest every single day, believing it's the key to unlocking your muscle growth. But what if I told you that this very routine might be doing more harm than good? Overtraining, stagnation, and potential injuries might be lurking in the shadows. Today, we'll unravel the pitfalls of daily chest exercises and show you a smarter way to achieve your dream chest. Building a well-developed chest involves a combination of strength training and proper nutrition. Here are 5 ways to help you grow your chest muscles. When it comes to sculpting a strong and well-defined chest, you need more than just the same old routine. Let's dive into the exciting world of compound exercises, which can take your chest workout to the next level. These movements are like a secret weapon for building a robust upper body, and they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Say goodbye to monotony, and hello to a more dynamic, results-driven workout routine. Picture this. You're lying on a bench, the iron plates loaded, and the barbell above you. The bench press is the granddaddy of chest exercises. But there's more to it than just the flat bench press. You can switch things up with incline and decline bench presses. The flat bench targets your overall chest, while the incline and decline variations put more emphasis on the upper and lower chest muscles, respectively. It's like sculpting your chest from all angles. Who needs expensive gym gear when you have the incredible push-up in your arsenal? These versatile bodyweight exercises are like a treasure chest for your chest. You don't have to stick with the standard push-up either, switch it up for maximum chest impact. Widen your grip for outer chest gains, or go for diamond push-ups to sculpt the inner chest. Feeling adventurous? Elevate your feet or add resistance bands for a challenge that'll leave your chest burning. But here's a word of caution. While push-ups are fantastic, doing them every single day can be harmful. While daily push-ups might seem like a simple path to a stronger chest, there are some important factors to consider. Overtraining can lead to burnout, similar to pushing a car without stopping for fuel, causing fatigue and risking injuries. Your chest muscles need variety to grow, just like lifting heavier weights in the gym for progressive overload. Doing push-ups daily might lead to muscle imbalances and overuse injuries, as your body benefits from working different muscle groups. To keep your chest muscles fresh and engaged, mix up your workout routine and give them time to recover. Just like a balanced diet, your chest muscles need their veggies too. Your muscles need time to recover and grow. So, don't overdo it, and you'll see incredible gains with this simple, yet effective exercise. Have you ever seen those parallel bars in the gym and wondered what they're for? Dips, that's what. This exercise not only works wonders for your chest but also engages your triceps. As you lower your body between the bars and push back up, your chest muscles are put to the test. Dips are a fantastic addition to your routine for a complete upper body workout. Just remember to keep good form, and you'll feel the burn in all the right places. Incorporating these compound chest exercises into your workout routine will not only make your training more exciting but will also provide a well-rounded approach to chest development. So, next time you hit the gym or work out at home, don't forget to include these powerful moves in your arsenal. Your chest will thank you for the variety, and your gains will show it. Isolation exercises. Fine-tuning your chest muscles. While compound exercises are the foundation of your chest workout, let's not overlook the power of isolation exercises. They're like precision tools for sculpting specific areas of your chest. Get ready to dial in your chest gains with these targeted moves. 1. Chest flies. Imagine yourself on a chest fly machine or grabbing some trusty dumbbells. Chest flies are your secret weapon for isolating and stretching those chest muscles. The controlled motion mimics hugging a giant tree, and it's perfect for building a deep, defined chest. Your pecs will thank you for the attention. 2. Cable crossovers. Step up your game with cable crossovers. It's all about that constant tension. Using a cable machine, you'll feel the burn as you pull those cables across your chest. This exercise challenges your chest muscles in a way that's hard to replicate with other moves. The result? A chest that's ready for the spotlight. Remember, while isolation exercises can help you target specific areas of your chest, it's crucial to strike a balance between compound and isolation exercises for a well-rounded chest workout. So, add these moves to your routine and watch your chest development reach new heights. Are you ready to take your workouts to the next level? One secret to supercharging your muscle growth is by varying your repetition ranges. By doing so, you engage different mechanisms and unlock your full muscle potential. Let's dive in and discover the magic of mixing it up. 1. High rep sets, 12 to 15 reps. These sets are like fine-tuning your muscle endurance. High representative sets are all about pumping up the volume. They not only sculpt your muscles but also enhance your stamina. It's the perfect way to push your limits and feel the burn while achieving those chiseled muscles. 2. Moderate rep sets, 8 to 10 reps. The moderate representative range is the sweet spot for building muscle strength and size. You'll be lifting heavier weights than in high representative sets, which means greater muscle tension and growth. It's the classic recipe for that powerful physique you've always wanted. 3. Low rep sets, 4 to 6 reps. Low representative sets are your secret weapon for maximum strength gains. By lifting the heaviest weights in this range, you're priming your muscles for raw, brute strength. You might not pump out as many reps, but each one counts, leading to incredible power. By incorporating a mix of these repetition ranges into your workout routine, you're ensuring that no muscle fiber is left behind. You're not just lifting weights, you're sculpting a masterpiece. Are you ready to transform your chest into a work of art? The secret to growth lies in the principle of progressive overload. It's all about consistently pushing your muscles to the limit and then raising the bar. Let's explore the art of making every workout count. Step 1. Challenge your muscles. Growing your chest isn't about maintaining the status quo. It's about pushing your limits. To make that happen, gradually increase the weight or resistance over time. When your muscles adapt to a certain weight, it's time to level up. It's like giving your body a wake-up call, saying, "We're not settling for mediocrity." Step 2. Track your progress. Picture this. You start with a certain weight, and it's a challenge. But as weeks go by, it becomes easier. That's a sign that your muscles have adapted. This is where tracking your progress becomes essential. Whether it's through a fitness journal, an app, or good old pen and paper, document your workouts. It'll help you keep a close eye on your gains and make necessary adjustments. Step 3. Keep it consistent. The key to success is consistency. You need to continually tweak your workouts to keep your muscles guessing and growing. As you increase the weight or resistance, your chest will respond by getting stronger and more defined. It's like a sculptor refining their masterpiece with each stroke. So, remember, progressive overload is the name of the game when it comes to chest gains. It's not just about lifting. It's about sculpting the chest you've always dreamed of. You've got the workouts down, but did you know that muscle growth isn't just about pumping iron? It's a holistic journey, and your chest gains are shaped not only at the gym but also at the dinner table and in your bed. Let's explore the crucial connection between nutrition, recovery, and building a chest to be proud of. 1. Protein power. Protein is the building block of muscle. To support muscle repair and growth, make sure you're getting an ample supply of protein in your diet. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based sources like beans and tofu are your allies. They provide the amino acids your body needs to construct a powerful chest. 2. Sleep like a champ. Believe it or not, muscle recovery primarily happens while you're catching those Z's. Your body undergoes a repair and growth process during sleep, making it essential to get sufficient rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your chest gets the attention it needs to thrive. 3. Hydration and stress management. Don't underestimate the impact of staying hydrated and managing stress. Proper hydration keeps your body functioning optimally, helping with muscle function and recovery. Stress, on the other hand, can wreak havoc on your muscle building journey. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to keep your gains on track. Your path to a stronger, more sculpted chest isn't just about lifting weights. It's about nurturing your body through nutrition and recovery. Together, they form the foundation for the chest you've always wanted. So, to recap, we've unveiled the secrets to grow your chest muscles effectively. We started with the power of compound exercises, dove into isolation techniques for fine-tuning, explored the magic of varied repetition ranges, harnessed the potential of progressive overload, and stressed the importance of nutrition and recovery in your journey to a stronger, more sculpted chest. If you found these chest-building tips helpful, you won't want to miss our latest video on high-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts. HIIT is a game-changer when it comes to overall fitness and fat loss. Head over to the end screen now to dive into the action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in fitness and wellness. Your path to a healthier, stronger you begins with one click. See you in the next video.